Welcome to Sir Boat's Yacht. Today, we're stepping aboard one of the most innovative, intelligent, and beautifully designed floating homes in Europe, the Mein Hausboot Smart. It's sleek, it's sustainable, it's smart, and it's changing what it means to live on water. So buckle up, or rather, untie the ropes, and let's explore the future of floating homes. Let's start with the big idea behind the Mein Hausboot Smart. This isn't just a boat, and it's not just a home. It's a complete lifestyle shift. A response to modern living that combines mobility, sustainability, and high-end comfort. In an era where we're more connected than ever but yearning for peace and space, this boat offers a solution. One that floats, travels, and adapts. From the moment you approach the Mein Hausboot Smart, you know you're looking at something different. The exterior is architectural, not nautical in the traditional sense. Think large, squared-off glass panels, dark or light aluminum facades, and the kind of aesthetic you'd expect from a modern villa, not something tied up at a marina. Depending on the configuration, you're looking at anywhere from 12 to 15 meters in length. The width gives you plenty of internal space, thanks to the catamaran platform underneath. That twin hull structure is key, not just for stability, but for supporting the weight of solar panels, freshwater tanks, greywater systems, and all the smart tech packed inside. Let's step inside. The interior is like walking into a penthouse suite, only this one floats. Open plan living dominates the main space, but everything is multifunctional. The couch is comfortable and modular. The dining area doubles as a workspace. The windows, floor to ceiling, flooding the space with natural light and offering 270-degree views of your surroundings. All lighting, temperature control, blinds, and entertainment systems are automated. Everything can be adjusted from your phone or via voice command. Want to dim the lights for a movie night? Done. Prefer to wake up with the sun rising over the water, and blinds that open slowly to welcome the day? It's all programmable. The kitchen is a revelation. Full-size appliances, an induction stove, a combination oven and microwave, a full-height fridge, and loads of hidden drawers and cabinets. The surfaces are heat-resistant, scratch-proof, and incredibly elegant. There's even an optional wine fridge if you're the entertaining type. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to host on a floating deck like this? Next, let's walk through the sleeping quarters. Depending on the model, you'll find 1 or 2 bedrooms, each with proper beds, soft-touch fabrics, dimmable lights, and stunning views. The primary bedroom has wall storage, under-bed drawers, and integrated charging ports. There's even smart ventilation that keeps the air fresh without opening a single window. And yes, there's a bathroom, a full one. Think walk-in shower with a rainfall head, a composting or dry separation toilet system, elegant sink fittings, and of course, heated flooring for colder climates. But the star of the show is what's above, the rooftop deck. It's not just a place to sunbathe. It's an outdoor living room, an entertainment hub, a yoga deck, a stargazing platform. Some models even offer optional outdoor kitchens, foldable furniture, or jacuzzi tubs. And above that, solar panels. Not only are you off-grid ready, you're actively reducing your environmental footprint while cruising quietly across calm waters. Let's talk movement. The Mein Hausboot Smart is powered by silent electric motors. You're not blasting diesel fumes. You're gliding. Whether you're cruising down the Spree in Berlin, floating along a lake in Switzerland, or docked in a cozy Dutch canal, you're doing it without a trace of pollution. Battery storage systems keep energy stored from your solar setup, and you can also plug in at any marina to recharge. So how far can you go? Most owners use the Mein Hausboot Smart as a semi-permanent residence, moving seasonally or occasionally. It's ideal for inland waterways, protected bays, canals, lakes, and river systems. You won't be crossing oceans, but that's not the point. This is a luxury urban cabin, a mobile villa for the aquatic lifestyle. Now let's talk customization. You can tailor your Mein Hausboot Smart exactly how you want it. Need a home office with noise insulation and a big monitor? You got it. Want a reading nook with bookshelves and a bay window seat? Done. Prefer a guest room instead of a second bedroom? That's possible too. Every boat is built to order, using modular components that come together like a puzzle of your personal tastes. Owners can choose color palettes, floor materials, lighting styles, curtain types, even the level of automation. Want your boat to learn your preferences over time? There's an AI assistant that adjusts temperature, light, and even music based on your behavior patterns. Imagine your home learning you. Now, the big question. Is this just for luxury buyers? Not necessarily. While it is a premium product, the cost is competitive with many city apartments in Europe, especially when you factor in the location flexibility, no property tax, and the sustainability perks. You're not buying into a fixed piece of land. You're buying into freedom. And that brings us to the emotional side of things.
Living on a houseboat isn't just about aesthetics or technology. It's about lifestyle. It's about waking up to the sound of water lapping gently at your hull. It's watching swans drift by as you sip your morning coffee. It's finishing work, closing your laptop, and stepping directly into nature. It's sunset dinners, paddleboarding from your front door, and being in tune with the rhythms of water, wind, and light.
It's about simplicity, too. Less space means less clutter. Everything has a purpose. Everything has a place. And somehow, that clarity outside leads to clarity inside. People who move onto boats often say they feel calmer, more focused, and more fulfilled. And with Mein Hausboot Smart, you get that experience, without giving up the conveniences of modern living. So, is the Mein Hausboot Smart for everyone? Maybe not. But for those who crave beauty, flexibility, and a smarter way to live, it's a revelation. A floating expression of modern design and mindful living. And that's what we love here on Sir Boat's Yacht, not just boats, but visions of the future. Boats that challenge the norm. Boats that spark imagination. If you're ready to leave the city without leaving your lifestyle behind, if you're ready to float through life with grace, intelligence, and elegance, then maybe, just maybe, the Mein Hausboot Smart is calling your name. Thanks for joining us. Like, comment, and subscribe to Sir Boat's Yacht for more floating architecture, marine innovation, and smart design from around the world. We'll see you on the water.